Beach Realty, we take coronavirus very seriously. We know we're supposed to wash our hands several times a day for 20 seconds. So pick your favorite song, sing it for about 20 seconds, and make sure you've got soap and nice hot water. Important tip to remember, turn off faucets with your elbows if you can, and avoid any kind of cloth. Go ahead and use paper towels, dry your hands, turn off, and if you're in a public bathroom, go ahead and use this to open the doors. I want to make sure that we use gloves as we clean, and make sure that we use CDC approved products for all porous and non-porous surfaces. We want to make sure we get items such as remotes, phones, and knobs that our hands touch often, super clean. So make sure that you spray the surfaces, wipe them down, and wear your gloves. Beach Realty is really excited this year. We switched to the keypads to make it more convenient for all of our renters and owners, but there are a lot of fingers touching these keypads. So what we want to make sure we do is do a great job disinfecting. So we have our gloves, we've got our Clorox with the bleach, and we're going to spray down the keypad. We also have hot soap and water here to make sure that we get in between all the numbers and make sure that we have this complete surface germ-free. Your safety is our priority. Another one of the highly touched surfaces that we have here are the elevator buttons. So we want to make sure that we wear our gloves, we have our magic erasers, and then we have our bleach and Clorox. We want to make sure that we spray, actually not the surface here, but spray down our eraser with the bleach and do a really good job of scrubbing this surface and the button. Manipulate the button a few times to make sure that you really get into the surrounding surface to keep you safe. Disco lights. Let's carry our cleaning products into the elevator, making sure that we get the handle. Again, anything that you are going to put your fingers on, we want to make sure is as sterile and clean as possible. Go ahead and wipe all of this down. Also want to make sure that we do the railings. And then because this is an elevator that can be opened from both sides, while we're in here, let's go ahead and just do the other side of the handles. Get those nice and clean. Again, make sure we keep you all safe. One important tip to remember, and this is actually on the CDC website, after you've cleaned the house for coronavirus, you want to make sure that you open up doors and windows. It's best to let the products air dry. Plus a little fresh air will be good for you and for the house.